The Atto 3 is a compact to mid-size electric vehicle produced by BYD, a major player in the electric car industry that has largely flown under the radar. BYD is one of the world's largest battery manufacturers, with a portfolio that includes electric trains, buses, cars, and batteries for all-purpose applications. BYD is launching its latest electric platform with the Atto 3, which is capable of accommodating front-wheel drive, FWD, rear-wheel drive, RWD, all-wheel drive, AWD, and can operate on both 400 volts and 800 volts. The platform can also be adapted to a variety of vehicle sizes, from sleek sedans to SUVs. In terms of design, the exterior of the Atto 3 is cleanly designed with elements such as full-on lighting at the front and rear, a closed grille, and metal rear side panels that hint at its electric nature. Inside, the cabin features bold colors and flowing shapes, creating a balance between fun and ambition. In terms of driving, the Atto 3 offers smooth acceleration, well-coupled steering, and overall ride comfort. Despite some shortcomings such as lackluster brake response and lackluster suspension quality in some conditions, overall the car remains a strong contender in the market. One of the standout features of BYD's latest cars, including the Atto 3, is its innovative cell-to-pack battery technology, something that has been widely discussed in the automotive industry but has not been widely implemented until now. This design allows the Atto 3 to use a less energy-dense chemistry, which is cheaper, longer-lasting, and less prone to damage during high-temperature charging. Overall, while the Atto 3 may not stand out in terms of range or battery capacity, it offers a good balance between performance and competitive price.